with another video, and as you guys could just tell, I'm going to be trying to make my 3 slimes that I have with me. Only, like, I have more than 3, but I'm only going to be using 3 out of my collection to make it look like food. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a 3-layered ice cream cone. I'm using the white slime, the mint chocolate chip looking slime, which is actually the gray slime, and I'm also going to be using my chocolate slime. And so I'm just putting them together, and it kind of looks like cotton candy right now, but you'll see how it turns into, like, you know, ice cream. So the last one was a fail, as you guys could tell, but this one I'm trying to make look like a chocolate cookie with pink icing on it. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these in stores, but I tried to make that look like it, and it just looks so great. I totally failed that one. I've failed the past 2, so to make myself feel better, I went with the classic, you know, cotton candy look, but I somehow failed that one too. So where's the pink at? Oh, there it is. And then I got frustrated, so I just mixed the 2. So that was a fail also. So then, since I was frustrated, I did the classic Mia. I took all of them out just to show you them, and then I mixed them all, including the gray one that looks like mint chocolate chip. And somehow I dropped it, but I just wanted to see what the color turned out to look like, and I was just getting frustrated with the whole thing. So here's me mixing it very harshly and aggressively.
And you're probably wondering, why do I have earbuds plugged into my phone? And yeah, that's because I am doing a random satisfying slime video. Now you're probably like, okay, yeah, the title slime. So yeah, this is why. So just place my earbud in there. It should already be extremely satisfying. Chop the slime up. Okay, that failed. I don't know if y'all can, I don't know if you can still hear me, but, I didn't realize it, and I just chopped it off. That is kind of funny, honestly.
Didn't she kill herself after this? It's stuck in my hair. What did you do? I want to be in a static. What did you do? No, what did you do? That's slime in my hair. I just wanted to see what I'd look like with purple hair. I just wanted to be an aesthetic. I wanted to see what I would look like with purple hair. Don't try it. Don't try this at home. clean her up. My bed sheets. Did it come out in the shower? Is it successful?
Yeah.